Welcome back to another video. Dustin here from the Gravity team. If you need a CRM, HubSpot and Salesforce are both excellent options that are tailored towards different audiences. In this video, we'll take a look at both options so that you can decide which one better fits your needs. Let's dive in. We'll start with HubSpot. HubSpot stands out for its user-friendly design and free core CRM, which you can expand with hubs like marketing, sales, and service, giving you an all-in-one platform without extra setup. With HubSpot, you can easily manage your contacts, set up email automations, and take advantage of marketing tools like landing pages and analytics, all from one place. One of the biggest strengths of HubSpot is that it's more straightforward than Salesforce. The interface is cleaner and easier to navigate, but like any CRM, it does come with a learning curve, especially as you start exploring its more advanced tools. HubSpot really shines if you're a small to mid-sized business without a full-time CRM admin. With HubSpot, you get a free core CRM that you can extend with hubs, but it does have its limits. As your business grows, you may find that its customization and reporting features don't go as deep as Salesforce, which can be a drawback for more complex organizations. So let's talk Salesforce. Salesforce offers different clouds, like sales, service, and marketing. Each cloud is a package of tools for a specific business function, and there are also industry clouds for nonprofits, healthcare, and education. Through the App Exchange Marketplace, Salesforce also makes it possible to integrate with thousands of third-party apps, so businesses can extend Salesforce and connect it to their existing tech stack. Like HubSpot, Salesforce covers the essentials, such as contact and deal management, but it takes things further with enterprise-level customization. You can create custom objects, workflows, and automations, but you'll usually need a certified admin to set it all up. Salesforce really shines for businesses that need advanced reporting, detailed sales pipelines, or highly specialized workflows. There's not a lot you can't do with Salesforce, but the trade-off is complexity. Many businesses find that they need a dedicated Salesforce administrator to manage everything. So which CRM is right for you? If you're a smaller business that values ease of use, HubSpot might be the right choice. It even starts with a free CRM that supports up to 1 million contacts, and paid plans begin at $9 per user per month, scaling up as you add more advanced hubs. But if your business is big and your needs are advanced, Salesforce is tough to beat. Unlike HubSpot, Salesforce doesn't offer a free plan. Instead, it provides a 30-day demo, and paid tiers start at $25 per user per month, with higher tiers designed for larger teams and more complex needs. We hope this video helped you decide which CRM is right for you. What's your favorite CRM? Let us know in the comments. Thanks as always for watching. I'll see you in the next video.